What's going on YouTube? TyWithXKing.com hit you with another video today, and I'm answering a question that I've had experience myself, is how to build an online business or do anything online with a slow internet connection. Now, I've been through this myself a couple of times. In fact, my laptop is very slow. My editing software I've been using, Filmora. I try to edit videos on there, which is not good because my computer's not fast enough for it. But anyway, I try to upload that video to YouTube, and it takes forever. It takes a long time. So what can you do with a slow internet connection? And this is for people who live, in the country, who's don't have high-speed internet access at all, or maybe you're just somebody with internet just went down and you called your internet provider and they'll take a week to get to your house to fix it and you're on a slow connection. What can you do to keep your business afloat? Now, one thing you could do is, you could shoot YouTube videos and write blog posts. Your WordPress site doesn't take a lot of internet connection. It don't take 30 minutes to load up a web page. It might take you maybe 4 or 5 minutes, maybe 10. But you can still write content, and it may take you a while for it to publish, or it may take you a while for you to, I guess, like say as a draft. But it won't take a long time to get online. You probably still get on Facebook and Google. It might take you a long time, but it might take you maybe 4 or 5 minutes. So if you have writing a blog post, it shouldn't take long. If you're doing an email from Aweber, it don't take long. Now the part that takes the longest is YouTube. You need fast internet to upload video to YouTube. If you don't, it may take forever. So some tips on if you're downloading or uploading stuff on the internet, what I typically do, some tips, is upload it right before I go to work. Work at my usual 9 to 5. I'll upload it I hit upload before I leave, and when I get back home from work, it's pretty much done. This is hard because if you upload 3 or 4 videos at the same time, it'll take a while, but it should be done around time you get back from work. Or what I do is I upload videos while I'm going to sleep. I go to bed and I upload 3 or 4 videos, and then by the time I wake up in the morning, I pretty much done. It's done. What you also could do is, if you know a place like an Apple Store has very fast internet. I don't know about Starbucks, but if you look up a restaurant or a Panera Bread that has very high speeds, you could just shoot the video, take the blog posts, you could write them out, send them out to draft, and you could take it to one of these places and upload them there. Go to Apple Store, take a laptop with you, go to one of these restaurants, buy you a sandwich, and upload all your content. And you can do that once a week for internet connection if it's slow. But if you're in a rural area, you're on DSL and that's not fast at all. One of the things that would help internet is I believe you have maybe a faster laptop, not 100% sure. If you make sure that you're the only one using the internet, don't have somebody else using the internet and you're using the internet, that's gonna make it slower. If you just close down a bunch of windows on your laptop and focus on one thing, it'll make it a little bit faster. But it's not so much you can do. You're just stuck with it, to be honest with you, unless you can find a company that can come out there. Now, there are some companies that has satellite internet, and I don't know what's that about, but you can look up that and you can put a satellite dish in your backyard, and you can, have internet then. So you can do that too. Do that as well. So there's not much you can do. There's some small things you can do. I mean, again, if there's a library near you, you use the internet. If you can get on Wi-Fi somewhere else, that's cool. But there's not a lot you can do with slow internet connection. You could try call different companies, and they're in your area. There's a lot of internet companies out there nowadays, so you could give them a call, in your area, and see what you can do. If you're in a dead spot, You really can't upload anything. I would just record the videos, and just upload them at a different place. Do it that way. Do all 30 videos at one time. It may take you a while, but do it at nighttime. But opening up WordPress, your WordPress site shouldn't take that much internet. It shouldn't take that much internet at all. So that should be easy. If you're buying traffic, you use your cell phone. If you're buying traffic, but those are typical things to help speed up your internet a little bit. Use the overnight stuff. Use the stuff you're doing when you're at work. Do that as well to help. And that's pretty much it. That's it for the video. I got a blog post on this as well. Go to thexking.com and you can find that blog post about that. And my name is Ty with thexking.com, and thanks for watching.